Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, saying a happy and prosperous new year. Yeah, man, at 2018. Can you believe it? 2017 felt like it was just yesterday. Actually, it was. So big up on yourself. Happy New Year for you and yours. Give thanks again for all the support throughout 2017. Big up everyone who made their Christmas cake and sent me in their comments and told me how great it was. I am truly humbled by this and happy that everyone enjoyed their Christmas cake. You know what I say? So big up everybody out there. All the subscribers and viewers alike. Big up on yourself. If you're not yet a subscriber, I hope that we make that video one day that spark your interest and you join the family. Without further delay, I want to take you right into preparing my Jamaican Hominy corn porridge. So forward, let me show you what go on. Alright, so we're going to start off with about a cup of our hominy corn. And as you can see, this is quite affordable. 99 cents. We're just going to wash that. To remove that excess starch. Realize how cloudy that looks? Want to wash that until the water is clear. Alright, so you notice the water is a bit clearer now. So you're good to go. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start off by boiling this in 3 cups of water, right? And you want to use cold water to start. So we start off on a medium to high heat. I'm gonna put a cinnamon stick right in there. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of sugar. And we'll put all of this at once so that the corn gets that flavor from the get-go. Because the thing with hominy corn, if you don't season it from the start, it won't have any flavor no matter how much you put in after it has been cooked. I'm gonna leave this to cook on medium for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So after which, I'll show you what it looks like. So for the second step in making this hominy corn porridge, I'm gonna add to my blender 2.5 cups of water, teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 cup of flour. We're just gonna blend that out. Alright, so we're good to go now. Just wanted to blend out the flour and all the spices so that we get the flavor in this, right? And this is gonna be used to thicken our porridge. So there goes our timer. So you see now how thick that is, right? We'll remove our cinnamon stick, and I added 2 more cups of water to the amount that I put in the beginning with 5 cups of water total. So we're gonna check if our corn is ready, and that's what you want to see. You want to see it mush like that so you know it's ready. It's been cooking for 2 hours, but the best way to have your corn cook quicker is to soak this overnight. Gonna go in with that liquid and we'll just stir that in. Gonna go in with some coconut cream, and I'm gonna use about 30 grams or less, and this will change the entire flavor. While this melts, the flour is being cooked and then the porridge will get thicker. So let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Melt that coconut cream out. Gonna add vanilla to that. Gonna go in with some rose water. Give that a stir. Get that mix right in. Now we're gonna sweeten with our condensed milk. So we'll put in about 1/4 cup of milk, and look as the color changes instantaneously. Look at that, how creamy it is. Just want this to boil on medium to low heat for about 10 more minutes and allow it to thicken. What you have to ensure that during this 10 minutes while your flour is in and it's taking its time to thicken, you have to constantly stir because you want to prevent it from burning, and keep it on very medium to low heat. So this is ready to go, and the more it gets cool, the thicker it will become, right? So we're just gonna turn our heat off, show you what it looks like, and there you have it. How to prepare hominy corn porridge here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
See you on a dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.